Well, we told you today is the day that we've been excited about for the last 6 weeks at least, but probably ever since last year. Mr. Anderson, the 54th anniversary usually starts when the 53rd ends, right?
That's right.
Good.
That's the truth.
And I know this is an exciting time. It's probably an humbling experience for you to be able to celebrate this day.
That's right.
As a Sewanee Quintet. But what does it really mean when you come to a celebration like today?
When you come to a day like today, you know, it's telling you something. You know that God is not through with me yet. After 54 years of toiling up and down the highways, I remember there were days that we were sleeping, paying 50 cents a night for sleeping, and it finally went up to $1 a night. And you look back and you look where he brought you from up until this present time, and it's a wonderful feeling to be here for another great anniversary.
Well, it's going to be a good one, and of course we know all the things that are taking place, but as far as you're concerned, being in the group, like I said, you've probably been there just as long as anybody else in the group.
That's
presently. Right. What has been, as far as personal growth, how has singing with the Sewanees made you grow into the point where you are now?
Well, the Sewanees, we got together, they did a great part for me. And you know, as longer you be together, you grow together. Amen. And as you grow together, you love together, you know. You know, tongue and teeth fall out.
Right.
But you never take the tongue and pull it out and throw it away, so I don't need you anymore.
That's right.
And so that's the good part about it, you know. And it has meant so much to me out of these 54 years to be a part of this great group.
Right, well, it is, and like I said, we've seen you grow spiritually, and you know, from
amen.
And you can't help but get a little closer to God when you.
That's right.
Like that.
That's right. You grow closer. You come closer. You know, it's just like a man and wife. You know how when I was a kid, you know, and I used to see elder people. You see one, you see the other, and I didn't quite understand it then. But you know, the older I get, the more I love. I'm consistent, you know, of my family. The more I love. I used to go off and stay like 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks at a time. I don't do that anymore. I can't do that anymore because I'm concerned about my family. I want to get back home.
All right, well, very good. You did some writing. How much writing have you done? I know we got one song, and we want to pull it up in a second, but that you actually led. But how much of the writing have you done for the Sewanees?
Out of the Sewanee writing, I've done, I would say 65 or 70%.
Is that right?
Even when Reverend Willingham was with us, he was a great singer and a great preacher. But most of Willingham's songs, I got them together for him.
Okay.
Now, but when it come to prayer, you couldn't tell that brother nothing to say. He had it all.
You're right. You're absolutely right. And of course, this is the day, of course, we know that we'll be doing the tributes and all of that. But we want to congratulate you on this anniversary. But like I said, you did at one point get in front of the mic and do a lead song. We thought we'd pull it up and show it to everybody. Just remind them that Big Red can do some leading when that time comes.
That's right.
Reverend Benefiel has it ready for us, and he's going to show us. So God's going to get you for that.
That was James Big Red Anderson, of course, from the Sewanee Quintet, on Parade of Quartets. Wow, the 54th anniversary. What year was that? Hope you enjoyed it. Do us a favor, hit the subscribe button.